Hello aspirants, looking at important headlines from the Hindu newspaper for 13th December. On the front page you have this coverage on government formation in the states in which election results have come forth now. And this is approach will be consultative. So new RBI governor Shashikant Das says that he will uphold autonomy. Then this is Supreme Court extends time for NRC claims. So as the Assam government had called for 1 month extension for submission of claims, so this extension has been given by the Supreme Court. On page 5 you have Supreme Court asks Centre Karnataka to respond on Mekedatu. So this is regarding the Mekedatu project. So Mekedatu project of Karnataka is opposed by Tamil Nadu. So approval has been granted by central government for it too. It has to prepare the detailed project report. So this actually Mekedatu project is actually a reservoir come drinking water project. So the feasibility of this project has to be looked into. Then on page 7 you have India gets submarine rescue system. So Indian Navy has inducted its first non-tethered deep submergence rescue vehicle. So this will help in bringing back crew members stranded underwater. And this is NSG must have its own air wing. So parliamentary panel has recommended to the centre to urgently take steps to ensure that NSG, National Security Guard, the country's premier counter-terrorist and contingency force, to be equipped and have its own dedicated wing. Then on the editorial page, the first editorial, Friends for Polls. So this is regarding allies being made for elections. So the Congress may have won this round of elections, but it needs more allies. So, and the second editorial is Homeward Bound. So this is regarding Vijay Mallya. So he has, only held establishing charges against him by fleeing from India. And now he's, the ruling has been to extradited him, but then it can be appealed against. The lead article, Verdict 2018, a democratic fable. So this talks about the election results. You can skip it. So. And this is engaging with climate change. So a solid syllabus can enable children to hold governments to account on sustainability. So that's what this article argues. Then on the op-ed page, you have this article, a self-goal for India. So this is an article which says that there are substantive reasons for the questions being raised about the new GDP back cities data. So this controversy has been going on for some time. So this is regarding that. Then on page 10, you have no farm loan waiver center. So central government through its minister has responded in the Lok Sabha to a question saying that there will be no farm loan waivers announced by the government because it says write-offs encourage defaulters, affect credit culture. And down here you have BJD opposes dam safety bill in Lok Sabha. So this dam safety bill 2018 has been introduced in Lok Sabha. So it will enable states and union territories to adopt uniform protection, procedures to ensure safety of the reservoirs. So this has been opposed as such too. There has been opposition to this bill because it affects the state's autonomy too. So this is regarding that. Then on international page you have Theresa May faces leadership challenge. So this is regarding Brexit. So hardline Brexit MPs in Conservative Party are seeking change in leadership to extract new deal from European Union leaders. So she's Conservative Party leader, but her party members are not happy with her. So her members of parliament who are hardline Brexit supporters. So this is the present political development in UK. And this is Britain backtracks on plan to suspend golden visa scheme. So there were these calls that Britain is going to suspend golden visa scheme, which is for wealthy investors. So just days after announcing the suspension, now UK Home Office has backtracked on this decision. Because it was earlier stated that these wealthy investors are bringing black money. They are doing money laundering by bringing in money into the country. Then on business page here you have MFs allowed to segregate bad assets. So SEBI has prescribed guidelines for uniformity in pricing of corporate bonds. So mutual funds are allowed to segregate bad assets now in this. And then this is IIP rises, Index of Industrial Production rises to 11-month high in October. Then there's no important news on the last page. So these are the important headlines. For detailed coverage of current affairs, you can visit our website in the current affairs section. And here you have the details of the current affairs course as such and sample video uploaded too. And also you can download the PDFs for current affairs from the website every day. So that's made available by the end of the day generally. So that is it. Thank you.